Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. As you can see here, we've got a quick unboxing and no surprises, this one is from Japan. And I've already just cracked the end of it so we can get into it. Just put the box down. Got some paper we can recycle. Looks like this is a recycled bag from Australia Post. Reach inside. Let's see if here we go. Now, this is something a bit different. It is a Flying Eagle razor, a vintage one from China. Out you come. As you can see, the box is in beautiful condition. See if I can open this up one-handed. I would say I can't. What we have inside of the box. So it's just a very straightforward razor. You can tell there that it's roughly based around a Gillette. Surprising thing is this has got a fair bit of weight in the handle, which is quite surprising. And there's the cap. Turn it over, and the base plate. Let's see if I can put this together. Okay, so there it is. I've actually had a lot to do with China in the last 20 odd years, since 1999, so that's where I've got my interest in Chinese razors. And I believe, and these were made in Shanghai in China, and Shanghai is really one of my favourite cities around the world, and beautiful city if you're into big cities. So this is in excellent condition, beautiful condition. All right, I don't know if I'll shave with this one, but I've got some other second-hand ones at home which I might do a shave with sometime soon. But I should weigh this because this is actually as heavy as a Gillette, easily as heavy. Surprising weight in it. Okay, no worries, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll chat soon.